To download free themes on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, first we need to go to Settings. Next, in Settings, we're gonna proceed to the home screen, lock screen, and style. And then in here we can tap on all Flux themes in order to search for many different themes that we can get for free. In some cases you just have to download them, and in some cases you need to, for example, tap on View Online Themes, or you can also go to the past collections as it is even below that. Now in this case we open the Theme Store app, where we can of course find many different themes, so you can switch to themes over here. And as you can see, we have many different examples. You can of course have a look at them. You have the preview of how these themes look like. So if you find the theme that you wish to use, so let's say I like this one over here. If I want to use it, I just have to tap on the apply button over here. I'm not sure if it is necessary to use an OPPO account. It is possible that you will have to use an OPPO account. Yep, there we go. So you will have to sign in or create an account. Alright, so now we're gonna apply the theme quite easily. And there we go. We should be immediately redirected to the home screen. We can also take a look at the app drawer, and this is how it looks like. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.